But there's an added touch of Christmas magic when the snow falls and Christmas is white. Good evening. My name is Caroline Light, and tonight I and my little bundle will be singing to you White Christmas. Please enjoy, and may it remind you of your own Christmas magic. The sun is shining, the grass is green, the orange and palm trees sway. There's never been such a day in Glendora, LA. But it's November the 22nd, and I am longing to be I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. Oh, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white.